Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome back to another Central Carolina WX YouTube video. And this one's going to be a bit different because, as you can see, we actually have a package from Amazon in front of us. This is going to be an unboxing of a new radio. It's the one that it was released like a few months ago on Amazon. Some people already have this, so I'm just gonna, y'all probably heard about this. Hang on, I need to, okay, let's just crack into this. I'm not gonna flip the box over, or the package over, because the other side is what has my address on it. Okay, here we go. Yep. It's this notorious thing. Weather Alert Radio. Custom programming. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Same programming. Mutile warning system. Multile warning system. Sorry, my mistake. Chinese translations. Anyways, let's just crack into this. I'm not gonna waste time. Let's just crack into it. Okay, so here I'll just zoom in. Okay, so we have instruction manual. In clock mode, pressing. Setting an alarm. And, of course, the actual radio. USB. Okay, let's press all the buttons to wish it good luck. You can't even... Okay, let me pull this off. These are just... I think what you're hearing there is horrible build quality. Okay, that might be horrible build quality you're hearing. Yeah, that's just... Okay. Well, let me move it over here. We'll plug it into my definitely not a fire hazard cable management. Okay. Got the cable tie undone. As you can see, it does have wall mounting holes. Oh, battery compartment. Takes 3 AA's. Okay, now let's plug it in. Is this even... Where... Hello, USB ports. Can you please USB port? Oh wait, no, I think they're on the... Are they on the bottom? Yeah, they are. They're blocked up by that. Okay. New plan. Let me get a USB block out of my cable drawer. Here. Okay. Here. We'll move. We'll move over here to where my tablet is. We will unplug this USB-C only block. Move the tablet. This obviously isn't. I have a place to. You know what? Hang on. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, I wasn't going to include this, but this is actually USB-C, not micro USB, contrary to popular belief. Okay, so as you can see, I was a little busy off camera, so I couldn't find a longer cord for the radio because I was planning to plug it in over there where my out of service 100 is, which I now use just as a clock. But apparently every cable I have is shorter than the one the radio came with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug it in over here. Right, grab the kickstand. Uh-oh. Okay, so in case y'all don't know how to get the kickstand to work, you have to take the battery compartment off, then just slide it in. Okay. Turning it on in 3, 2, 1. Okay. 2025, January 1st. That light is very dim. Weather Radio. Channel 1. Alert on off. You have to press and hold it. On. Menu. Location. I'll program that later. Backlight. Where's your select button? Here it is. No. Level. This is a. Okay, I guess you just gotta look at it from the right angle. Okay, let's just select. Hang on. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. Sorry about that little interruption, but now I am joined by
Southeast New York WX.
He's making a guest appearance, which I was not expecting because I thought he had school today, which apparently he. What? Do you?
Actually, it's midterm week.
Oh.
And I do not have an exam today.
And of course, my phone is out of focus. Alright. I'm just gonna. Alright, let's see. Where did we leave off? Yes, we were still going through the menu. So we just got. Okay, set up. Okay. Set up date, set up time. Siren test. Okay, you ready for the siren test?
Yep.
What the?
Dude!
They stole it!
I know, hold on. Yeah, wait, you know what that sounds like for?
What?
That sounds like the 100.
Bruh, my phone is completely out of focus. Wait.
No, wait, do the siren test again.
Okay. Weather band. Wait. Weather band. Hang on, let me see if we can get WXL 58. Oh. Okay, channel 7. No, not 6. I'm not gonna say it. I know exactly what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna say it. Okay, channel 7.
Latest National Weather Service forecast.
That's a weird
for Raleigh
speaker.
and vicinity.
And let me raise the antenna.
Sunny. Highs in the lower 40s.
Hang on, let me...
Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour.
Oh, wait.
Tonight, clear. Cold will blows around 20.
How do you turn the volume down?
Light and variable winds. Wednesday, mostly sunny.
I can't turn the volume down.
Upper 40s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour.
Help, I can't control the... Okay. Dude, this thing is weird. How do I... Let me get the... Ow! Get the... If I can get the antenna out, that would be great. Ah, I got it. Okay. Okay, apparently it doesn't like me trying to adjust the volume.
Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow after midnight. Colder with lows in the lower 20s. Chance of snow 40%. Saturday, snow likely. Much cooler.
I love
with
how
highs in the
even though
lower
I'm
30s.
tapping this, it doesn't do
Chance of
anything.
snow 70%. Saturday night, snow, cold with lows around 20. Chance of snow 90%. Sunday, snow in the morning, then snow likely with a chance of freezing rain in the afternoon.
Let me... Oh my god, why is this not let me turn the volume down?
Cloudy with a chance of freezing rain. Cold with lows around 10 above.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just end the video here. Maybe I'll make a second recording later if something new happens, but well, stay tuned for tomorrow's weekly test. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to me, subscribe to Southeast New York WX. You know him from Quo 35 incident. And yeah, see ya. Yeah, see ya. Hello, this is Central Carolina WX from around 3 hours later. So, update. I figured out how you change the volume. You don't use this.
Overhead on Wednesday.
You turn it on like this.
Day and Thursday.
Then it lets you adjust the volume.
Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Raleigh and vicinity.
Which is a bit stupid. Why is there 2 ways to turn it on? And also, let me turn it on.
Cold with lows around 19. Light
You know what
and
else
variable
sounds
winds.
raspy like that?
Wednesday, sunny.
You know what else sounds as raspy as that?
Highs in the upper 40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Not as cool as lows in the mid-30s. Southwest winds
I guess
around
it
5
sounds
miles per
different.
hour.
But yeah,
Thursday,
this thing, unless you're really craving a first header, like, unless you're craving a first header weather radio, do not get this, because it is weird. You're better off with an MD319. This is crap too, but this is worse. Although it does also come with a strobe. Let me think. What else is crappy about this? Oh yeah, the Sangean CL100 has a backlight like this, but this This actually lets you turn the backlight off, as you're about to see. That lets you turn the backlight off. This does not. And also, I didn't realize this until now, but you can see my face very well in the reflection. So, hello. Hello. So, yeah. Stay tuned for tomorrow's weekly test where we will see this thing in action. So, this is Central Carolina WX. Be sure to subscribe if you like weather radios. Also, I just want to say hi, JCLT. Big fan. Big friend. Oh, one more thing for those curious. If you press this button with the radio off, it shows you the firmware version. So, this is version 1.37. And, okay, I'm yapping. Goodbye, guys. Have a great day.